Everybody, today I'll be showing you how to bundle assets for Yandere Simulator. In this video, I'll be specifically going over how to bundle faces, bodies, and clothes. In the next video, I'll show you how to write commands and put the assets into Yandere Simulator. First of all, you'll need to install Unity onto your computer. I suggest you use Unity 2017 as that's what Yandere Simulator runs on. I'll link the website down below in the description and comments. I already have Unity installed, so I will be skipping this step. If anyone is confused and wants a tutorial on how to install Unity, I can make one. Next, you'll need to download two folders, one being the shaders you'll use to use shaders, and the second one being the essentials folder to actually be able to bundle. I'll link these as well. On top of that, you'll need to have the model you want to bundle and the texture downloaded. After you download everything you need, you can now open Unity. When Unity opens, click on Projects, then go to the New Project or New option. You can name your project whatever you would like, as the name does not matter. Make sure the 3D option is selected. If it's 2D, it will work in game. When you finish naming your project, click on Create Project. When you finally load into your project, grab your Essential folder and move it into the Assets tab. Do the same with your Toon Shaders folder. Drag the mesh specs or object texture you want to bundle into the Assets tab as well. Next, drag your mesh into the left bar of the screen. Go to the right side of your screen and click the Inspector tab. Then click on your model. Make sure all of your edges positions are at 0. If they aren't at 0, you will not be able to correctly place your asset in game. Right-click on the Assets tab near your mesh. Click on Create the Material. Click on your material when you're done. It'll give you a menu on the right side of your screen so you can change your shaders. Drag your texture to Albiba and D2 Albiba X2. Drag your material onto your body, face, or clothes. Where it says Standard is where you can change your shaders. Click on that and select the option Toon. Here you can choose a variety of different Toon shaders. If you do not want your model to have outlines or change in the shadows, choose the basic shader. If you want your model to have outlines, but don't want it to be affected by shadows, choose the basic outline shader. If you do not want your model to have outlines, but want it to be affected by shadows, choose the lit shader. If you want your model to have outlines and want it to be affected by shadows, choose the lit outline shader. I personally prefer basic or basic outline. If you have chosen a shader with outlines, make sure to set your outline width to 0.0 points of browse art by using the outline width slider. After you've done that, close your folder on the top left corner by clicking on the arrows if the arrows are open, and you can drag your model into the Assets tab. A new tab at the bottom right of your screen will appear. This is where you will decide the name for your bundled asset. Click on the long blank tab next to Asset Bundle. Click New. This is where you put the name for your asset. Click the small blank tab to the right of the name you've chosen. Select New and type in Unity 3D. This has to be named Unity 3D or it will not work. Then at the top of the Unity application, next to Component, click on Bundle, then Build Asset Bundles and wait. After it had been bundled, you'll get for New Files. The only file you need to move is the Unity 3D file. I suggest you directly move this into your posemod folder that is located in Streaming Assets. This method only works for